Hi everybody, Cynthia here, and I'm going to be making another goat milk soap, and I'm going to be using some patchouli essential oil from Essential Depot and some, in my very large bottle, lemongrass from New Directions Aromatics. Okay, we'll take this out. Okay. And we pour it right down here. Here we go. I got these wonderful new spatulas. Look at how long and skinny they are. Help me scrape. Oh man, so nice to scrape with these. And they have a very flexible bottom, so they really scrape good and help me because I'm not very good at scraping. Maybe it's the amount of patience I have. Well, this is a lot more economical. I can get it all out with that. That's pretty good. Now I've made a mess over here. Clean up. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so we're going to do, I think, a little drop swirl. So this looks like it's all emulsified. So we'll clean this off for a minute. Ho, ho, ho. There we go. And I think I'll put my fragrance in. Now this is the patchouli and the lemongrass together 50-50 with some kaolin clay. It's pretty dark. So we are expecting our batter to get a little bit tan. But I'm just going to put the whole thing in and scrape this out, mix it in, and then mix our colors and see how it goes. Okay. Put this lid back on here. Okay. Let's mix that in. It's already a nice tan color because of the patchouli, lemongrass. So I think we'll keep that natural base and we'll separate off a few colors, do a little drop swirl, which should be fun. Since this is a patchouli soap, we want to have a little fun with the colors. Alright, let's see, I've got all these colors here. I've got purple, blue, can you see it? Blue, yeah. Green, it's a little bit dark. I have a yellow, it's that yellow that'll go orange, yeah. And then I got orange, and then I got a nice red. Okay, so let's fill this up. And the blue. And the green. And the yellow. And the orange. And Zeolite. There we go. Okay, so we'll mix these up in a minute. I'll just let them sit there. Clean up my mess again. And here's my mold. And how are we doing with this mixture? We definitely have trace. So I'm debating whether to put in some white mica. I think I might. This is some white mica. Which one is this one? This is Snow White by Mad Micas. I think I will mix that in. It's a little whisk. We'll see how white we can get that. And if it goes a little tan, it goes a little tan. At least we give it our best to give it some contrast. I'll whisk this in. It still will be tan, but it'll be a lighter tone. Let's hope. Okay, this looks good. We'll scrape it and put it into our mold. Oh, this smells amazing. Put most of that in there. Now, how do we want to mix these others? We'll hold that aside for a minute. This little mixing tool here. Let's see if this will do the trick. Nope, too thick. Let's just mix it in. Oh, this is that orange one. This is the morphing color. Okay, that looks good. We'll just let that go like that. And the green, we'll mix that in. And we're coming down the edge. Okay, scrape, scrape, scrape. Okay, a little blue. Kind of doing this in backwards order. And this is thickening up quite a bit, but very manageable. Blue Vibrance. Yes, this is Blue Vibrance. Okay. Okay, we'll get the purple. We'll mix the purple. That's pretty nice. Very, very nice. Purple. Okay. Guess we'll just set it here and we'll do red. Ooh, yeah. I love all these colors. This is so much fun. These containers are a little full though. That's okay. And we'll do this orange. This is pumpkin orange from Mad Micas. Okay, that looks good. Now what else have we got? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, we got them all. Okay, so we're going to need to dump these in and do a little swirl because everything's thickening up really fast. Okay, so what do we do first? Let's do purple first. Oops. Get that in there. Scrape it out. Okay. We'll save a little for on top. Messy, messy. Purple. And now the blue. Pour that on. Okay. Get in there. Purple, blue, green. Very nice. Green. And this yellow, that's orange. That'll turn yellow later. Okay. And then the orange. Ooh, that's a lot more fluid. Alright. Okay, I'm getting it everywhere. And the red. Okay. The red. Alright. Now, I'm bang this down. Clean up my mess. A little bit. Mess. Bring it down. Okay, hanger swirl. Then we're gonna add the white again. So I'm just going to do a little bit here. Okay, the colors are really thick, so that should work out very nicely. And we'll chopstick the sides. What a mess. Okay, clean off the sides. That's not very good. One. Okay, let's see. Get this better. There we go. Okay. Let's put the rest of this white in there. It's pretty thick. Too thick. But manageable. Very nice. And we'll just ladle it on the top. Okay. Get the rest of that in there. Come on now, get in there. Everybody in. Okay. Now, you want to smooth that out. And you need a smaller spatula. Okay. Just a nice thin layer on top. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what I'm looking for.